Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, I will show you how to change display or interface language of Microsoft Office. Let's get started. Go to File menu, click Option and click Language and go Office Authoring Language and Proofing. Click Add a Language. You can add your own language from here, but I will add Bangla language. Select the Bangla language and click add. Now click proofing available. Now Microsoft Office website will be open automatically. Scroll down and select your language and download 32-bit or 64-bit. I will download 32-bit. My language pack is downloading. My download is completed. I will install this language pack. Language pack is installing. Now open the Microsoft Word. Go to File menu and Option, Language, and language is listed. Select the language and set as preferred and click OK. Restart your documents and now open again. Now your interface language is changed. If you want to return your language, go to File menu, click Option, Language and set English as a set preference and OK. Restart your documents and open your program. Now your language is back. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.